If you ever have this issue where you are watching a movie and during a quiet part, a quiet scene, the audio fades out, keeps fading in and fading out, I have a fix for you. It does involve an accessory you've got to get. All of the audio jacks have an issue on this TV, or if you plug in your own set of speakers, a soundbar, whatever, even headphones, during quiet scenes, the TV, for some reason, will automatically, there's like a noise gate. During a quiet scene, the audio will fade in and out completely. I don't know why VIZIO decided that this was a good design decision, but it is a terrible design decision, and it is such a wild issue to have. Here's how you fix that. It's called an HDMI Audio Extractor. You will want to get one of these, plug your source device, so say take your Xbox, plug it into here, and then this HDMI cable will run to the TV. Now, instead of having the audio come from the TV, this thing will extract the audio from your source device. So it has both optical and 3.5 millimeter outputs. So you completely bypass the audio from the TV and you are using it straight from the source, and it's going through this thing instead. This will completely fix the issue of the audio fading out during quiet scenes. So there you go, that's how you fix that. Totally worth it considering how affordable these TVs are now. It's very worth it to me. There's no degradation in image or audio quality whatsoever, no added latency or anything like that, so totally worth getting that to fix this issue.